Hey guys, thanks for hanging in there with me. This is the last little shortcut that I have for you guys that I wanted to share. These are just a couple odds and ends shortcuts that I use every day. Um, the first one that I found, I use a Mac at home, and I'm super spoiled obviously by my touchpad being able to zoom in and zoom out really easily. With this, I found that if you hold down Alt and you just use your mouse to scroll back and forth, you can scroll in and out, which is great because I used to come down here, change as a percentage, do whatever that way, and it was super annoying. But I found this way out, and it's nice because too. So, whether you want to go in this area or say you want to come up here and change the text, wherever your mouse is, it scrolls with it. So, it's not like you're just going to zoom and it's just going to go in the middle. Then you have to scroll over and find where you're going to go. So you can zoom out, zoom in wherever you need to go, and go that way. So that's the first one. Other one, a lot of you may know, but I just figured I'd want to share is merging layers. Super, super simple. Like hypothetically, if I want, if I'm creating a couple shapes, um, like how I did with this, you can literally just go Control E and that merges those together. A lot of times when I do content aware and I have a lot of different areas and shapes and stuff, I tend to merge them so I don't have like a bazillion layers that way. Another one, real quick, too, is grouping. As you see, I'm super OCD for the most part with labeling my PSDs. With this, I like to hit Control G, which will group everything. And then with this, I usually do like lease off or whatever. And this one, Control G again. And this would be like the heading. That way everything is super easy to label, etc. But yeah, I'm all about grouping and all that. Another cool thing too is the transform. Instead of having to go up to edit, down to transform, and then this way you can easily go to hit Control T and will automatically go through and you'll be able to resize your image. And hopefully most of you know that you're not going to resize your image without, uh, like freehand. You go that, you go back, that you're holding down shift as well. That also keeps your image straight that way. And then the last one, little trick I actually learned recently was flopping between the foreground and the background colors over here. All you have to do is literally hit X. I like to do this a lot of times if I'm color picking to try to find different colors and whatnot. Um, that way it's just a little bit easier. So if you have any questions, just feel reach out.